Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a beautiful website front-end using Tailwind CSS and Tailwind blocks. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. So let's get started. So first of all, I will create a new file in desktop for making front-end. In this file, we will store our front-end program. I will name it as fast front. Okay, here our program will run. I will open with code, VS Code. We will create a front end on VS Code. So and make a new file in that folder, that is index.html. So here we write our entire program. So for making fast website front end, we will use a framework, that is Tailwind.css. Tailwind is a utility-first CSS framework that provides low-level utility classes to build custom designs. It's highly customizable and allows you to create responsive and modern websites efficiently. So in Tailwind CSS, there is a option to create customizable blocks. So here this is a Tailwind blocks, and here is ready to use blocks. We have to just copy and paste in our VS Code, and our front end will be create. Tailwind blocks is a great resource for pre-designed Tailwind CSS components that you can easily integrate into your project. Let's go to tailwindblocks.com and choose a few components for our website. So before going to Tailwind blocks, go to tailwind.css websites and click on first website. So first of all, we have to link the Tailwind CSS. So here tap on get started and click on place CDN. There is a first program that we have to copy and paste it on our VS Code in index.html file. So just click paste it. So there is tailwind.css.com. This is the linked file. So program over. So I will code this hello world. Now our Tailwind is linked. So we have to just go to Tailwind blocks, and there is already ready to use blocks, and there is code also. So we have to just copy that code and click and paste it in our VS Code. For example, we will add a navigation bar, a hero section, and a footer. Simply copy the HTML code for each component and paste it over in index.html file within the body tag. Click on view code option. Here we go. Here is code. Copy that code and paste it in body. So open with live server. That is result, and result, this is result. Our navigation bar is done. You can customize this navigation bar with your subject name or company name. I will name it as Aju, for example. So you can all this customizable. You can all this change. So I will firstly create a navigation bar and hero section and a footer and all these necessary blocks for our website. So I will just copy it and paste it. You can also here add images in site. So I will add a image of Guru Randhawa singer. will choose that one, any image of that. Click on that and right click on that image and copy that image address. Copy image address. So go to VS Code and there is a dummy image. So cut it and paste our copied image address. And image will reflect in our front end. Now our front end is ready. Let's review the final design and make sure everything looks great. And that's it. You have successfully created a website front end using Tailwind CSS and Tailwind blocks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more web development tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.